Before I start, I just want to say thank you very much. We are already 3K on Instagram. I don't know what happened, but suddenly my account started to grow massively. So thank you very much, and stay tuned. I'll keep posting more and more setups and more breakdowns. So let's check this trade on CAD yen. All right. As you know, basically my content is in Spanish. All right. Pretty much 90% of my content, of my videos, of my posts on Instagram are in Spanish. Suddenly, my account started to grow, and I have many followers from Iran, from UK, from the United States, from Canada. I don't know what happened. It's just that my account, I think, had a boost from the Instagram algorithm. So I'll start posting in English from time to time. I also want to experiment. I want to explore if my content will get more views on English rather than Spanish. So I want to do some test. I want to explore that number and see how it goes. And if numbers are great, if numbers are much better than my Spanish videos, well, I'll keep with the English content then. It's just that my Spanish videos don't get that many views, and I have posted a couple of videos in English, and they get almost 4 times, 5 times bigger than my Spanish videos. So I think that's how it goes. I think that's how it works. The algorithm helps you a lot more if you post in English. But let's get to business. Let's talk about CAD yen. This is a signal I share with my private group, but unfortunately this signal didn't get filled. But let me give you the breakdown. Probably this will help. Basically, I start with my higher time frame bias. All right, so most of the time I start with my daily time frame, and basically we have this supply level up there. See that this supply level had a beautiful rejection to the downside, and that's basically what I'm what I'm trying to see on my higher time frame. I want to know if supply or demand is in control. What is the structure on the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, and then I used lower time frames like 15-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame if possible. So basically, on my daily time frame, what we see here is that we had this supply level. Also, price action is showing, bearish strength because this trend line got broken. So when I go to the 4-hour time frame, this is what's happening. Price retraces to my daily supply level, and I want to see more rejections. I want to know that sellers are stepping in again, that they are interested in this area, and see in the 1-hour time frame, see the structure. Check this structure. Price makes new lows. All right. So keep in mind that on our higher time frame bias, on the daily time frame, we are completely bearish, and the 4-hour time frame and our 1-hour time frame is showing us the same thing. All right, it's showing the same thing, bearish. We have this huge imbalance, and we have another supply level here. If you are an aggressive trader, you would have placed your entry right there at the 1-hour order block using maybe 10 pips stop loss, and probably this is your take profit, 100 pips, having a risk reward ratio of almost 1-10. But I'm not an aggressive trader. I don't like taking entries in an aggressive mode. I like waiting for confirmation entries. So that's how I use the 5-minute time frame or the 15-minute time frame. Because when I get those type of entries, when I have those type of entries, those confirm entries, my risk reward ratio, can be a lot better rather than using an aggressive, rather than using just a level and go aggressive. Because the stop loss is small. It's really small. Well, this is a pattern. If you are learning supply and demand, this is a very common pattern. Demand to supply. All right, demand to supply, meaning that your demand level fails. Your demand level is not able to push the price up. In fact, it's just removed. So then you just gotta look for the supply level responsible of removing that level. And here is where you have where things get interesting, because you can use either your CP levels. See that we have this CP levels, but we also have the origin of the move up here. If you backtest this, you will find out that this CP levels will not work, and many times the price will go to the origin of the move. All right, but do your work, do your homework, backtest this, and if you feel comfortable taking those levels, it's fine. Or if you like to split your entries, let's say you use 1% per trade, you can use 1% per trade. You can split your entry and place here 0.5% and the other 0.5 there, so you don't miss out. That's another technique you can use. It's up to you guys in the end. So we have this CP level, continuation pattern level. This level is also known as decisional. Decisional level, or origin of the move, or whatever you want to call it. I always go with the origin of the move. All right. I go with the origin of the move. So here I go to the 3-minute time frame, so I can get a much better entry, which is this one. So we had some imbalances here. Most of the time, they are filled by the price. So here's where my entry limit, my sell limit was. Here, just 10 pip. Well, this is CAD yen. Sometimes you can get 5 pip stop loss or 4 pip stop loss. This is where my entry level was, and I was expecting my take profit was this. This is my take profit. See that we had a retail trend line here. This is our retail trend line here. All right, so there is so much liquidity below a uptrend trend line in a bearish market, and vice versa. Keep that in mind. So if we are in a bullish market and you see a bearish trend line, trust me, that trend line will not hold, and will be it will be taken out. It will be broken like this with strong momentum candles. So basically this is what happened. Market just did not retrace to my entry point. All right, market just did not retrace to my entry point. But in case my entry would have been filled, my take profit level was here. If you see here, we have some equal lows around this price. We have some equal lows here, right there, or double bottom. All right, so that was my first take profit. But if you see, there is still some inefficiencies, some imbalances here that will also probably, well, the price might try to fill this area around here. So you can go for 100 pips. And actually we're close. Right there. I think it's, yeah. It will take it will hit the TP level probably during London. I don't know. Well, so that's basically the breakdown. I've been getting DMs on Instagram from people asking me to post breakdowns in English. Well, here's the first one. So let's see how it goes, and if the numbers are much better in English, I'll switch to English mode then. All right, that's it for today. If you like this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you into the next one. Bye bye.